What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. I'm really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year before fall hits something, because you can see it's definitely looks very nice looking machine might be on. Now this is sold last year 2024, but I got this in 2025 this year. You can see how much spec it takes. You can tell I don't even know what this Eagle button even does yet, because it doesn't. I don't even see anything. You can see how much spec it seems like, which really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025, and which I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because you see how much spec this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine, because you see how much spec it seems like it just like it looks pretty nice looking my hand. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025, which because it's definitely what I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because I don't want to get to like cleaning or anything like that, because you see how much sweat it seems like because you see how much sweat it, you see how much sweat this is, you see, because I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because you see how much sweat this machine's been used almost like quite a bit, because, well, I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because you see how much I really want to get this thing used again at some point this year before fall hits, which but it will get used again at some point this year. I hope at some point this thing will get used this year.